Hello everybody. Okay, here's another problem. So the owner of a clothing store estimates profits using the equation. This equation, P equals 2x squared minus 7x minus 10, where P is the profit in dollars and X is the number of clothing sold. Now the question is, what is the estimated profit when 50 pieces of clothing are sold? So now what we need to do is, we have to first write this equation. Write it out like this. Now, my second step, what I like to tell all my students when it comes to algebra is, we're gonna put a parentheses wherever the x's are. Put the square there, minus 7 times x minus 10. Okay, let me just take this mask off. So now, wherever the x's are, remember when you read the problem, P is the profit in dollars and X is the number of clothing sold. So the question is saying, what is the estimated profit when 50 pieces of clothing is sold? So 50 pieces of clothing is gonna be the X. So your X would become 50. And I wanna put another color in there. I'm gonna put the 50s right in here. Put the 50 right in there. Now you can put this in your calculator and calculate it, but if you're gonna do it in the calculator, make sure that you write it the exact way with the parentheses so the calculator can know this thing has to first square, then multiply. So when I'm gonna still do this, just going forward, so I know 50 times 50 is gonna be 2,500, so 2 times the 2,500, 7 times 50 is going to be 350. And then minus the 10. Now I can do this, 2 times the 2,500 is going to be 5,000, minus 350 minus 10. So 5,000 minus 350 would be 4,650 minus 10. So 4,650 minus 10 is gonna be 4,640. And that would be my final answer. So the profit would be 4,640. Okay, so this is just a substitution question. It's just a substitute. Make sure that you know what your X is to plug it in and just do the math and you get your number.